Welcome to yet another video about KiwiRail's recent antics in the city of Tauranga. This one features a couple of interesting things, despite the ongoing abundance of DL locomotives. We begin at Beretta Road on Wednesday, August 31, with DL 9014 hauling train MP10 to Auckland. At the time of uploading, 9014 had only been released from Hutt Workshops for about 3 days. As following an unexpected encounter with a large tree near Shannon, 9014 has had one end modified to have only one grille instead of two. Now this end looks like one of the DLs from that 2018 batch, such as 9544. And speaking of DL 9544, that's what I saw at Maxwell's Road later that evening. This time she was hauling train 325 from Hamilton. Not long after 325 arrived, we got DL 9688 heading out with train 391T to Palmerston North. Three days later, on Saturday, September 3, I was back at Beretta Road to catch the extra train C69 on its way to Mount Maunganui. Last but not least, we see DL 9095 passing the Strand with train 491 from Kinleith.